Alright guys, check this out. Today I'm doing a review of this Thrive Provisions, and if you look here, I got this on sale, and you might be wondering what it is. It's really neat. I'm going to open up the bag. Okay, so there it is. I opened up the bag. This is their variety pack. This is their, it's almost like a beef jerky, but like almost like a beef bar. It's like a protein bar, but made of beef, and it's like jerky, and it's thick. Look at that. So, they used a Wagyu beef, and there it is. Maple, apple, blueberry. So we're going to do a quick taste test. This is gluten-free, and let me see if I can show you the ingredients on this. There's the ingredients right there. Small print, but you can read it. But basically it has Wagyu beef, dates, dried blueberries, sea salt, and sugars, and citric acid and celery. Alright, so there it is. There's this one here. This flavor is the honey and lime. We'll do a review of this one in an upcoming video. If you look at this one's Wagyu beef, honey, dates, sea salt, black pepper, celery powder, and lime oil. And then this one here is chorizo, and this one's oily. So, but it's basically Wagyu beef, sugar, honey, citric acid, celery powder, smoke, and so that's pretty much it. So this one's thick. So, all right, let's open this one up and let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so there it is. It's kind of oily. It is, I guess, it's a Wagyu. So. Think of it like a really soft beef jerky. It's really tender and soft. Yeah, really soft. Think of it like a pepperoni stick. It's really good. Just check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. And I believe they use it's Alberta beef. All right, stay tuned for more videos, guys.